Yeah?
Yeah.
They're fast?
Yeah.
Means you can run real fast?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like them?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh.
Maybe we'll wear them. We're going to see Gabrielle on Sunday, and we can wear them. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll go show Daddy.
You going to go show Daddy?
Yeah. These boxes. Mama, yes. What's these kind of shoes?
Those are the cool ones that you already put on.
Oh.
The ones that sparkled, the other ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Dad.
Whoa. Which one do you like better, Lucy?
The princess one.
They sparkle too, don't they?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you, Gabrielle?
Thank you, Rara.
Look at the phone and say thank you, Gabrielle.
Thank